Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to delete a section from any web page that uses a HubSpot theme. If you've ever tried editing a page and wondered why a section just won't go away, yeah, this walkthrough will clear that up. So let's get into it. First, sign in to your HubSpot dashboard. You can use your email and password like usual. Once you're in, we're going straight to the marketing tools. Next, head to the website section. Hover over website and click on website pages. This is where all your theme-based pages live. Now choose the page that has the section you want to remove. Just click the page title and HubSpot will load the drag and drop editor. When the editor opens, make sure you're actually in edit mode. Sometimes the preview takes over and people get confused, so click the edit button at the top if it isn't already active. All right, now hover your mouse over the section you want to remove. HubSpot will show a blue outline around that block, and you'll see a small toolbar appear with options like Move, Clone, and Delete. To delete the section, just click the little trash icon. HubSpot will ask for confirmation. Yeah, just hit delete and the whole section disappears from the page. Once the section is gone, don't forget to publish. Click Update or Publish on the top right. If you skip this step, the old version stays live, so make sure you save it. And finally, click Preview to double check that the section is really removed from the live version. It only takes a second and it saves you from surprises later. And that's it. You've deleted a section from a HubSpot theme page. Quick and clean. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe or drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.